Hey everybody, this is John. Welcome to the free video. We finally got a break out on Tesla. This is one I've been watching. We got the nice head and shoulders reversal. This is kind of like what was happening with the NASDAQ a couple of weeks ago. Had some fake outs. And right here, it even is like, oh, it's ready to go, it's ready to go, and boom. But today it's going. It's up 7%. At this point, earnings are in 3 weeks-ish. And the idea that we could actually come back up and test this level is now very, very much in play. And what we're seeing right now in this market is, the big bet that I'd made this year was on Google, and Google did break out and slammed into these upper targets here, and now it's just kind of catching its breath. But what I'm looking for now is that other of these big stocks start making new highs as well. So Microsoft has made a high, but I think Facebook has made new highs, but Apple and Amazon have not. So I'm very intrigued here. We've got some huge weekly squeezes on the Amazons and the Apples of the world. And for those, I am going to be setting up some large positions as well. The question at this point is, before with Google, it was a large position and it was just sitting there waiting for the train to take off, which, if you've ever sat there and just watching a trade lose money every day for 3 weeks, it's not fun. All right. But then when it takes off, it's really hard to get onto the train. So with Amazon right now, we haven't taken out the old high of about 35.50 and change. So, we're still a long ways below that, but, is there going to be a perfect pullback to the 21? I doubt it. What about a pullback to the 8? I would love that. So, this daily squeeze is already fired, et cetera, et cetera. So I am aggressively looking for any pullbacks, ideally next week in Amazon and Apple, and then that's what I'll be focused on there. In the premium video, we're going to dive in. We'll talk about Bitcoin and gold and a few other things there. That's what I got in the free video. You guys have a fantastic night, and we'll see you at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me